Okay, today I'm going to change out the light bulbs and sockets in these Kichler light fixtures, landscape lighting fixtures. Previously, these light fixtures have used these incandescent bulbs, very inefficient, about 20 watts, and they don't last very long. Then I replaced a whole bunch of them with these, look like little corn cobs. Well, they too didn't last very long, and they just don't weather very well outside. They got no protection. Then I found these little guys, different kind of socket. This is a G4 socket. It's ceramic, a little bi-pin on it, but it's completely encased in silicone. And I'm going to change all the bulbs and sockets out today. Show you how it's done. Okay, now that I've got the fixture out, I've got to remove the socket. This is the old corn cob bulb I told you about. This little rivet right here has got to be drilled out, and the new socket looks like this. I'm not going to use this socket. This is what I'm going to be putting in. And but I need a place to mount this to, so I'm going to take this little rivet out, pull the socket out. The problem with the old sockets over time is the little brackets on the side, they break, the inside corrodes, and they just don't last. These fixtures are 20 years old and they just need a complete overhaul, and I'm going to go with something a lot better. So I'll show you how I do that right now. Okay, I've got the old socket out. You can see this one is broken a little bit. So we're getting rid of that one. This is the new one. I also need a bracket to attach to the old fixture. So I made these out of aluminum. Just like a 3/4 inch wide piece of aluminum, and then these sit on here like so, and these little holes in here, they're just used to attach. I just use a couple of these really small little zip ties right through there, and that's how they attach to the little plate, and the plate attaches to the fixture with the use of a very small little screw and nut. Real simple. And then as far as how I wire them up and attach them, I just use this cut off little ring tongue lug. I'll put the two wires together in here, and then use a little crimper and smash them down, and put a little rubber tape on here to keep them protected. That's pretty much it. The nice thing about these bulbs is that these bulbs work on AC or DC. My setup is set up for DC because I previously converted all my lights to LED, but these will work with your existing transformer if you have a 12-volt transformer. So I have a link for this in my description below. But these are really nice, and the sockets, these are ceramic. I don't know how long they're going to last, but they seem like they're pretty well made. And the cost of these is about, for 10 of each, the total was about $25. So pretty good deal. These light bulbs, I figured, I have 15 light fixtures. I'm going to save about $40 a year on electricity cost. Okay, I've got the new socket mounted. I've got the leads spliced together, taped up, and all I have to do is basically just kind of tuck them away a little bit and then wrap it up with a little bit of electrical tape and install my new bulb in here, and go outside and mount the lantern shade, and we're good to go. Hey, we're all done. Finished product, looking good. Might have to start wearing shades at night. Yeah.